Today we're going to go over how to make your own brisket rub. For starters, get an empty container. I like to use sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder. Step 1 is always the sea salt. I prefer the coarse sea salt because it helps add to the bark during the smoke. This can take some time because about a quarter of the container's got to be salt. That looks pretty good. Now we'll add the black pepper. Again, coarse black pepper helps add to that bark for you. And we're going to put an equal part of pepper in the container. So we want equal parts salt and pepper. And for some of y'all out there, you could be done right there. That is the Texas style brisket rub right there. Next, you can add garlic powder. And this is commonly known as SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. Don't put as much garlic in as you did salt and pepper though. Do a half to a third as much as you did salt and pepper. Next, I like to add onion powder. Be careful with the onion powder as it can overpower the meat if you add too much. For my last ingredient, I like to use chili powder. It adds a nice color and a nice aftertaste to each bite of the brisket. Put the cap back on and give it a good shake to mix all those ingredients up. And there you have it. That's good for about 5 briskets.